My name's Paul Carr and I'm the Head of Global Strategic Alliances within Temenos. We're in really unprecedented times at the moment. The whole coronavirus pandemic has made lots of banks and corporations rethink their strategies around their implementations, their integrations, how they work and who they work with. To me, things such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, data lake and data availability will become far more key in the future. A perfect example is around financial crime. We saw a massive spike in financial crime when the coronavirus pandemic hit, because people that typically wouldn't have used online banking or virtual banking in the past were forced to use it. With our financial crime offerings in the industry today and the anti-money laundering offerings, artificial intelligence was key to try and help to prevent financial crime before it happened, and if it did happen, to mitigate and to reduce the potential exposure. More and more of our customers are asking us about multi-cloud. I think there may be legislation at some point that may dictate multi-cloud, but for me, the ability to have a secure, compliant disaster recovery solution in place for customers that encompasses more than one cloud vendor, to me, as we move forward, will become more and more strategic. One of the differentiations now is the ability to have an orchestration and management layer that customers can look at so that they can have a single pane, a single view of their multi-cloud environments. And for me, one of the reasons why Temenos worked very closely with Google Cloud and the integration and certification of Anthos into our cloud stack strategy has enabled us to do this. And again, we spoke earlier on, multi-cloud to me will become a real strategic requirement for the big financial services customers in 2021.